is Joe. I am waiting for Dizzy Deliveries. Hello, what's your name? Hiya, Ozzy. Do you know where Joe is? Uh-oh. Joe, hi! Hello! Hi! Joe, come back! Come back, it's this Joe! Hello, Joe?
Ah! Hello, Donal.
Okay, so, Joe, it's just through here. Come on.
Look at it.
Joe? Joe! What's going on? Come on!
The smell of baking. I'm a really good baker. There you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Ella. Julie says hello.
Hello, Julie. Donal, when can we start baking?
Well, we first have to wash our hands.
I knew that. We have to wash our hands.